All right, guys, I'm so excited to be here with you, and we are going to do a 5-minute marketing tip. And we are going to do 5 questions in 5 minutes. However, we're going to do it a little different because I'm going to group 3 of my 5 questions into one. We are talking about one of my favorite things, which is digital advertising. We're going to focus on the Facebook and social media side of it. I'm going to give you a really simplified way of looking at it. I have so many clients come to me who want to promote a product or service and they want to get paid leads. And I get it. That's why else would we be on advertising in general if we didn't want somebody to buy something? However, we need to step back and look at how we're advertising first. So the questions we're going to start with is how effective is Instagram marketing? How to use Facebook ads to improve my business, and do Facebook ads work? So yes, they work. Yes, it's effective to use Instagram. And let's talk about how we can use Facebook ads to improve our business. So what I want to look at first is give you the scenario that I love to tell clients on Facebook ads to make it really understandable and just simplified. Especially around Christmas time when we're not in the middle of a pandemic, you probably remember going to the mall and there are the little kiosks everywhere, people running up to you, try this product, buy this toy, try the car, all these things. And if you're like me, you are making a beeline to the store you want to get to. You're trying not to make contact because you know you don't want what they're selling and they're just forcing it on you. They're getting in your way and they're making it uncomfortable. You're just uncomfortable to say the least. So you're not going to buy from them ever. But now let's look at like Sam's Club or Costco. So when there's free samples out there, we are running to them. There are lines there to get them. And all you want to do is you're searching, where's a free sample? Where's this? And you try it. Now you want to go there. So we have 2 scenarios. And we need to look at Facebook and Instagram and all social media paid advertising in this way. Are you the kiosk in the mall that is annoying the crap out of people by ramming down stuff in their throat on what you want them to take? So you want them to buy your course. You want them to go to your event. You've never met them before, but you want them to give you money. No, no, thank you. You're going to ignore them, scroll as fast as you can past them, which is the equivalent of making that beeline to the store you want to go to. However, how many times have you tried the free sample and then went, holy shit, that tastes good. I want the whole box. I know I've done that multiple times because I was like, wow, that tasted a lot better than I thought. I want to have that at home now. So we need to look at advertising in that same way. You want to be giving them some of the best free content you can give them. You want them to get a piece and a taste of what you offer, whether that is joining a group where they're going to get free information constantly, if that is a free webinar where you're giving them actionable, valuable tips, or if it's a free event that you're letting them come to. So all of these are letting people come into your world and understand who you are so that they're like, holy shit, I want to work with you. That is how Facebook advertising works. That's how Instagram, that's how most digital ads work, is you have to give them a piece of value first. And if you don't, they're running away from you, which is what's going to happen. So if anything, remember that when you simplify your advertising, that is what you need to do. How can you provide free value to these people, to the fact that they want to come join you, they want to work with you? So that's 3 questions right there that kind of sums up all together. So how to get the most from your Facebook ads. Provide that piece of value and do not go into this free thing of like, oh man, it's free, whatever, just give them this. No, this free thing is the only thing they might remember you by. So my biggest tip for you is when you're giving them something free, make sure it is the best piece of you. This is something that they're going to want more of, because if it is not the best that you can offer, then you're showing them your worst on day one. You're giving them the BERT sample that they're not going to buy. That's just how it is. So how to make the most of your Facebook ads, make sure you're providing true value in what you're offering so that you can retarget them with that paid stuff. All right, and then the last question is, why are my Facebook ads not converting? And honestly, there could be a million reasons. And the simplest thing is, did you start with being the kiosk and you're just trying to get them to buy from you when they've never tried you yet? If so, that could be why. There's things where you have the wrong audience that you're targeting. There is different language that could be in the ad that is off-putting. You could be using the word you too many times, and that could be off-putting. So if that is where you're at, where you have Facebook ads and they are not converting, then I really suggest you shoot me an email. Let's jump on Zoom. Let's look at your ad account, because there's so many different scenarios that we could look at that I can't cover in 5 minutes ever to understand why your Facebook ads are not converting. So send me an email, Hannah at the Marketing Skillet or info at the Marketing Skillet. I'll get both of them. And I would love to talk to you about what is going on with your Facebook ads, why are they not performing, and what can we do differently? Is it because you need to become that free sample and all you're doing is being that annoying kiosk in the mall? Let's see. So, all right, guys, have a wonderful Tuesday.